Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This is your boy Cooking with Sindako, and I'm back again with another interesting video. But before we start, if today is your first time watching, I welcome you on board. And please don't forget to subscribe to YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. Today I will be preparing some vegetable stew, and it contains some great vegetable our body needs. So while chopping the vegetable, I'll clean and cut my trippa, which is the towel, into pieces and boil them to save time. I'll add some salt to it and boil it for 15 minutes. And the ingredients I'm using today is parsley, celery, fennel, green beans, spinach, carrot, spring onion, trippa, grate chicken, spices, cooking oil, pepper, ginger, garlic, and grains of selim, which is mentia. I will blend my seasoning together, which is ginger, garlic, pepper, and the grains of selim. I'll blend them together, and I also blend my celery and parsley, the stems. I'll blend those things also together. So starting the stew, I will need my cooking oil, then I'll add my onions to it. 3 different types of onion mixed together. Yeah, very nutritious food. After 3 minutes, I'll add my gounded meat or minced meat to it, and that will go in for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes or after that, I'll add my steamed trippa. So after steaming or boiling my trippa, I took them out from the water to dry or to sieve it. So as you can see, they'll look dry. And this will go in also for 5 minutes. I'm adding the trippa at this early stage because it helps to absorb the fundamental of the nutritious. Yeah, so after 5 minutes of adding the trippa, I'll add my blended spices, which is the pepper, ginger, and garlic. They also go inside, and this also helps the trippa to have a good taste. You understand? Yeah. So you stir it gently and nicely, then you cover it for like 3-5 minutes. For the pepper to choose the combination of the of the circumference. Yeah. Okay, so after that, it's time to add the blended vegetables to it. So I'll first add the blended stems or the sticks, the celery and the parsley sticks. Okay, I'll first add those ones to it. Then I'll add in the fennel. Okay, the fennel is a bit hard, it's like cabbage, and it takes time to cook, so it's better you add, or it's advised to add in earlier. If not, your stew be on fire for long, so it's good you add in early. Yeah, so after adding the fennels to it, I will cover it and cook like 10 minutes because of the hardness of the fennel, as I said earlier. Yeah. So after 10 minutes, I'll add in the tomatoes, and I'll be using tin tomatoes. You can use fresh tomatoes as well if you have it, but in this video I'll be using tin tomatoes, and I'll use 2 tin tomatoes. I don't want that much tomato sauce in it because I want the vegetable to have the dominion, you want the upper hand of it. So I'll use 2 tin tomatoes, and with this stew I'll be using some grate chicken. Okay, some grate chicken, that's what I'll be using for this stew. Yeah, so after 7 minutes of adding the tomatoes to it, it's being settled down now. So I'll now add in my grilled chicken, grate chicken. Yeah. Okay, so I've broken into pieces, and since it's grilled, I don't think I need to take off the skin because all the fat is gone already. So all will go inside. Then after stirring, I'll add in some curry powder. Remember, I've not added salt to it at this moment because of the steamed trippa that I did. I don't want to add salt to it at now because other stuff will come later. So I need to add everything to it, then later I'll add salt to it. So now I've added a bit of curry powder to give a taste of it. Then now I'll add the other type of the vegetable. I'm adding the other type of vegetable, the green beans, the carrots. So since the green beans and the carrots is also a bit hard, I also cook that one for a bit before I'll add my spinach and the parsley and celery leaves, because they are leaves, so they are easy to cook. But the carrots and the green beans also needs time to cook, so that one will also go in. And keeping this time also help the fennel to cook very well as well. Yeah. So after 10 minutes or 15 minutes of adding the green beans and the carrot, I'll now add my spinach and the parsley leaves and the celery leaves and the spring onion leaves. All these grains will go inside, and This is what we have now. It looks like contemporary stew, but it's not contemporary stew, man. They're serving different types of vegetable mixed together. So just imagine like the kind of nutrient you're gonna have in this food, man. Amazing. This is amazing. Amazing. Wow. So I need to add salt to it to have a taste. So salt has been added, and I'll leave it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes, and that's it. That's our final stew. Yeah. So this is the stew that I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. How does it look like? Just look at that. Wow. Man, this can serve with anything: rice, yam, plantain, cassava, whatever. Yeah, so our serving stew, vegetable stew, is ready. Yeah, that's a serving stew. Serving vegetable stew is ready, and you can see for yourself. It's really amazing, man. Authentic, man. Wow, this is dope. Try this for yourself this weekend, and trust me, you're gonna repeat again. So thanks for watching. This is Cooking with Sindako. If today is your first time watching, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and let's meet again for another video. Yeah, for shizzle. What?